A tiny water drop sat in a puddle on a leaf. The sun shone brightly, and the leaf felt warm. "Oh," said the water drop, "I feel so light." It got lighter until it floated up into the air. It became invisible, now called vapor. High in the sky, it met millions of other vapor drops. It was cooler up there, and they huddled together. They formed a big, fluffy cloud. Soon, the cloud was too full and heavy. Whoosh! The water drop fell back to earth. "I'm Rain!" it shouted, landing in a new puddle. "Ready for a new journey?"